Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. That was footage of me trying to figure out what to do with the landscape edger. I'm in menards now. I need mulch. Just in case you were wondering, this isn't a new landscape edger. I took it from the other side. See, you can take what you got and use it. I can always get a new edger for that other side. What do you think? I've been at this for a long time. I'm tired. You guys have no idea. Since I'm out here, might as well make sure the projector works. This is a good sign. This means I'm getting close to the finish line. All right, it's the next day. I had some stuff going on in the front. I'm back here now. We got some work to do. It won't be too grueling, but we'll get through it. What do you guys think? Not bad, right? Had to move the patio furniture out of the way. Now I have to go to the store and get some mulch. I would like to say so far so good, but unfortunately I miscalculated. I have to go to the store to get more mulch. I'm back. I put down the rest of the mulch. I want to add this piece of landscape edger. What do you guys think? Looks nice, right? Complete transformation from what it looked like previously. So I livened up the annuals next to the fence. I didn't think you guys wanted to sit through that. What in the world is going on over here? What is that? Jesus Christ. Man, I don't like how this looks. This feels like we're in a horror movie right now. Still wondering what went under my house last night? Creepy. Got the tiki torch in the ground. It's time to put down some seeds. For the first time ever, I'm going to use Scott's Turf Builder Rapid Grass. Grows 2 times faster. That's exactly what we need, what I need, and we will see about that, won't we? Okay, I'm going to seed 60% of the backyard to start. Reason is I'm going to stand in this area when it's time to water so that I don't damage any of the seeds, okay? So what I'd like to do is start over there. First things first, I'll use my rake to make a bed for the seeds. Very important that the seeds make contact with the soil. Secondly, I don't want to put those seeds too close to the landscape edger for cutting purposes. Heads up, guys, I prefer this rake when I'm doing something like this. A traditional rake can work, but I think this works best. Considering all the work I did prior to getting to this point, I won't add any soil. I don't need to. I think it's unnecessary. I pulled a lot of weeds, turned the dirt over, stuff like that. Let's just get this pile up. Oh yeah, it's nothing like fresh seed. Let's put it down. Now, this is a blue wall. No political commentary. No political commentary. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know my style. I put down a layer, rake it in. Then I come with a second layer, rake that in. Then I add peat moss to it. I'm not saying you have to do it, but at least it reduces the amount of spots I'll have. Also, it pays like a tax to the bird mafia. All right, time to use the peat moss. Then again, once you add peat moss, you don't have to worry about the birds. It's good for the seeds and the soil, but I use it just to keep the birds away. This is my issue with Home Depot. I like the store, don't get me wrong. This bag is over 17 bucks. One of these bags are 11 bucks. I might as well buy 3 of these for the price of 2 of these. Makes me sick. Let me bring it down. Let me bring it down a notch. This is my fault again. Do your work in March or April. I had to make that store run because I ran out of peat moss. So I was at the store's mercy. I didn't want to go all the way to Menards. All right, let's add some starter fertilizer. Starter fertilizer gives your seeds a boost. It helps develop your root system and makes your grass healthier overall. As you know, this is the best part. I'll do this for 3 weeks. Come back and take a look at the results. You know the motto: take care of your families, take care of your bodies, take care of your lawns too. Bye.